items. I sell them on eBay for $25. So raise your hand if you would like one. We're kind of rationing them a little bit because we don't have too many. Only raise your hand if you really want one. Giants antenna balls. That's the TC out there right now. How about you, Andy? Okay, folks, you're going to be hearing a tune from a TV show from a very long time ago, probably before a lot of you were even born. This is called Death Valley Days. Oops, sorry. Anybody remember Death Valley Days out there? Yeah? Well, certainly you remember this next one. Spider-Man and his amazing friends. You remember that one? With Firestar.
Spider-Man and his amazing friends. Iceman and the Firestar.
Well, folks, we have a very special guest with us today. She was on Death Valley Days early in her career. She was Firestar and Spider-Man, his amazing friends. And folks, she's most known for her role as Sissy on Family Affair in the 60s and 70s. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kathy Garver. Here she is, live and in person. If anybody remembers Family Affair, there she is. And folks, more about that later. She's going to be providing a special prize for the winning pig today. And she's located right over there where you see her name under that white canopy. Please stop by and see her. She's written several books. By the way, folks, she was the little girl in 10 Commandments with Cecil B. DeMille. Can you believe that, with director Cecil B. DeMille? Wow. You can compare stories with her, folks. How many of you have seen the 10 Commandments, especially at Easter time? Anybody know that movie? Yes, she was in that movie. So make sure you stop on by and see Kathy after the show.
Classic, for sure.
Absolutely. We're so honored she could be here with us. So folks, let's give Kathy Garver a big welcome to the Lonesville Family Farm. What an honor for her to be with us today.
Hello, Captain Sharon.
Hey,
Report for duty.
Captain Mulligan. We're ready for you.
What a good looking crowd this is.
Absolutely. So folks, we have a surprise coming. We're going to ask you a very important question. It's important because it helps our surprise. So when we ask, make sure you answer nice and loud, everybody. Make sure you make some noise. Are you ready? Let's put our hands together. Here we go.
Let's get 'em, folks.
What are you going to call? I heard that. Let's do it again.
Okay, over here.
What are you going to call? Everybody put one hand up in the air and say, goodbye, Spider! Bye, Spider!
Boy, you're just full of surprises here. Wow, great surprise.
It's almost showtime, folks. Not quite. You're a great crowd already. Let's hear it for Slimer!
Hey!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are just moments away from the second pig race here today at the Rosso Family Farm. Before we get started, we're looking out into the crowd for some help. Folks, we are looking for someone motivated,
Motivated.
dedicated,
Dedicated.
and most of all, honest.
Oh boy.
Folks, we are
That
looking
leaves me
for...
out.
We're looking for 2 adult volunteers, one from this side and one from that side. Right over there, come over and join us. Bring this nice lady over with a round of applause. Make your way around the track to the start gate. Right there, yes, come and join us, sure. We'll be right with you. Take a seat in the white chair.
Guide you this way. Guide you this way.
Escorted by Captain Morgan. All right, hi there, what's your name?
Justine.
Jessie, so welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
Sacramento.
Yay, Jessie from Sacramento. She brought her own fan club. So Jessie, you have a very important job. You see, it's crucial that the piggies have a nice even start as they go around the track. You'll be providing that as you do exactly what Kaya is about to demonstrate. Folks, we're all gonna yell when I count to 3. Ready, set, go. That's when Jessie will pull the pin. She'll stand way back because it's a very large lever. Open it all the way and as fast as you can, releasing the pigs. Once they have exited the start gate, bring it back to its original position and place the pin back in its slot. Got it, Jessie? She's got it, folks. Let's give her a practice. You know what to do on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready, set, go! There she goes, opening the start gate, bringing it back after they exit, and putting the pin back into the slot. She's a natural! Give her a
She's a
round of
natural.
applause. All right, now we're going to head on over to the finish line.
Where is she? Get the shit.
Right now,
It's a pigs.
our first piggies, the stars of the show that are loading right now. Hi there, what's your name?
Jessica.
Jessica, Jessie and Jessica. And where are you from?
Richmond.
Let's hear it for Jessica, Richmond. So Jessica, you may think Jessie over there has the best job of all, but not so. Because you see, once those piggies leave that start gate and they go all around the track, guess what, Jessica? It's on you. We need you to determine which pig snout crosses that finish line first. Sometimes it's so close it's hard to tell, but you are the ultimate decider. We'll be coming to you, Jessica, 3 times for regular pig race and then the championship at the end, 4 times total. And because you have such an important job, Jessica, we need you to feel the power of the clipboard. There she is, your best friend. All right, let's hear it for Jessie and Jessica. They seem ready. So folks, if Jessie and Jessica are ready,
And the pigs should be ready.
well then, how about you? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
All right, let's find out. From this point all the way over to this point, you are section 1. From this point all the way down the long stretch, you are section 2. And from this point over here to this point over here, you are section 3. Moving on back to section 1. When you hear me sing, section 1, you ready? I need you all to yell, yeah! Just like that, and so on. This will all make sense. Here we go. Section 1, are you ready? Section 2, are you ready? Section 3, are you ready? Now when you hear me say everybody, all together we yell, yeah, yeah. Let's try it. Here we go. Everybody! Yeah! All right, friends. Now let's do it for real. Keep that energy up now.
All right, folks, put your hands together and make some noise. We're going to a family fun. Make some good noise. Yeah.
Section 1, are you ready? Section 2, are you ready? Section 3, are you ready? Everybody, yeah! Section 1, are you ready? Section 2, are you ready? Section 3, are you ready? Everybody, yeah! Keep it up, folks. Keep up the energy. Good job.
Oh, yes.
All right, friends, good news. It is now time for us to meet our first racers. They are all loaded. Here we go. Wearing number 8 black. No need to polish this gem. He's ready to get down and dirty to win the race. He is the Black Pearl.
The Black Pearl is in the middle chute, chute number 2.
Wearing number 78, Lime Crane. Sure to win everyone's hearts. Don't let her sweetness fool you, folks. She's been winning these races. She is Pixie Pig.
Pixie Pig is in the 3rd chute, chute number 3.
Wearing number 16, Red. Named after a race car driver named Jacob Gomes, who just won the race 2 weeks ago. Our next pig's name is Jammin' Jake.
Jammin' Jake is in chute number 1.
All right. Folks, the first race is about to happen. Let's sound the bugle. All right, piggies, I usually ask them to start their engines, but today, their engines are starting. We don't even have to. All right, friends, on 3, you know what to do. Jesse's ready over there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Ready, set, go!
There they go, friends. There they go. It's the Black Pearl. The Black Pearl has been won for a while. That's exciting. Okay, Jessica, officially, who is the winner? Number 8, the Black Pearl.
Now, the Black Pearl is the winner of race number 1, folks.
And now we're loading for race number 2 as we speak. Friends, I want to tell you a little bit about these pigs. The breed we use, there they come, the next racers are loading. The breed we use are called American Yorkshire. There's an English version as well, but we use the American version. And they're all the same breed for fair racing. Folks, if you could guess how long it would take a pig to run a whole mile, would you be able to tell me?
Anybody
Think
guess?
about it. Any guesses? Raise your hand if you have a guess.
Anybody guess?
Any guesses? All right, well, I'll tell you.
Wait, you said 5 minutes.
What did you,
You said 5 minutes.
you said 5 minutes? Who said that?
Who said?
You're blaming each other? No. Yes, you're almost right. Folks, actually, pigs can run 11 miles an hour. Officially, they can run this 1 mile in 7 minutes, but a mathematician came up to me 5 or 6 days ago, and he said, by my calculations, 11 miles an hour means they can accomplish 1 mile in just 5.5 minutes. How about that? Pretty impressive. Yes, let's hear it for the piggies. Yeah. All right, friends. Our second racers are loaded and ready. Let's meet them. Wearing number 1, light blue. Can she please just let it go? Racing pigs never bothered her anyway. She is Elsa!
Elsa is in chute number 1.
Wearing number 24 green, he's swift, he's fast, and he zips around the track. He is Zipper!
Zipper is in chute number 2.
And wearing number 3 purple, no need for a map. This little Bruno Mars fan navigates her way just fine around the track. She is Treasure!
Treasure is in chute number 3.
All right, friends, get ready for the bugle. The piggies are already trying to get out, folks. Let's do this. On three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready, set, go! Then they go. Then they go. What happened, Zipper? What in the world?
Zipper got zipped.
Officially, Jessica, who is the winner of the second race? Elsa!
Elsa is the winner of race number 2, folks.
All right, here we go with our last race before the championship. Here we go. Now, folks, pigs are so smart. Are you aware of this fact? They can outthink a 3-year-old child. Now, proof of this. We have on video proofs that these piggies figured out a way to break out of their cage, their pen. They let each other out of their pens, and they have a party when no one's looking. It is amazing, folks. They have done this already this year. Look at how smart they are. And they're loading now. Let's give our piggies a big welcome, our third racers. Yes. All right, here we go. Wearing a very important number to the Deloso family. Yellow 100. Very important, folks. He's been racing and winning for a long time. He is Racing Rudy.
Racing Rudy's in chute number 3.
Wearing number 10 pink. Speaking of 100, there's no reason to put a brand on this girl. She's 100% authentic. Folks, she is Jenny Generic.
Jenny Generic in chute number 2.
And wearing number 18, Royal Blue. He's been sailing around the world. Now he sails around the track. Folks, he is Captain Sparrow.
Captain Sparrow is in chute number 1.
It is now time to sound the bugle. All right, who did that? Who did that?
Oh, who did that to my bugle? Henry?
Henry, did
to
you
my
do
bugle?
that?
Henry.
Henry, he's not taking credit for it.
I'm sorry.
Hey, I was going to tell you good job, but
Sorry,
oh.
Sorry,
All right,
guys.
friends, on three. Our races are ready. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ready,
set, go! Let it go! Let it go! Oh, Captain Sparrow! Wait a minute. Racing Rudy. Captain Sparrow, Racing Rudy. Captain Sparrow. Captain Sparrow's winning. Okay, that was a close one, Jessica. Ultimately, though, who was the winner? Captain Sparrow!
Race number 3, folks.
Now, this means we're coming into the audience. We're going to choose a child from each section. Each section now, they're going to decide which pig we cheer for. All right, who's going to be the first child to come up? She can, right there. She's raising her hand right there.
That one, okay, come on down. Talk to Captain Sheriff. Here we go.
Hi there, what's your name? Maddie? Where are you from? California. Anybody else from California? Look at all these fans Maddie has.
Yes.
So Maddie, do you want section 1 to cheer for the Black Pearl, Elsa, or Captain Sparrow?
Captain Sparrow.
Captain Sparrow, section 1. You stay right there,
You can
Maddie.
stand right there to cheer your pig on.
All right, section 1, you're with Maddie. All right, section 2. All right, you're nominating her. You did it, sir. You got me. Come on up, sweetheart. Hi, what's your name? Let's hear. Okay, wait. Allison, where are you from?
California.
From California as well. Let's hear it for Allison. Allison from California. So, Allison, do you want section 2 to cheer for Elsa or the Black Pearl?
Elsa.
Elsa it is. All right, Allison. Section 2. Stay right
You
there.
stand right there and cheer your pig on.
Okay, now oh no. Here's the problem. We have all the girls. We have all
We need a boy
have to
this
get a
time.
boy. We have to have a
Hey, he
boy.
just stand up. He just stand up.
Okay, come
No,
on.
no, I like his style. No, come on.
Come on. Who wants to be the that
No,
badly? Okay, what's your name? Okay, never mind what. Okay, there we go. What's your name? Hey, Daniel. Where are you from? Let me guess.
Mountain House.
Oh, he did it! Mountain House! Yay, Daniel! Well, Daniel, you have the toughest choice of all of them. You have to decide if Section 3 is going to cheer for the Black Pearl or the Pearl Black.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Why don't we just say the Black Pearl? Is that good, Daniel? All right, good choice. Let's hear it for Daniel. All right.
Daniel, you gotta stand right here so you can show your
You're in
people.
charge, Daniel. You have to make sure you're
Just don't get
your
nervous. 15
section
million people
cheers.
watching you. Don't
Yeah,
get
there
nervous.
you go. All right, friends, let's honor some folks that are out here with us today. Sitting right over there and doing our sound today is Angelina. We want to thank Leticia, wherever she is. Where did she? No, that's Marie. Okay, Henry, Kaya, Marina. They're also wonderful folks. Give our crew a great big round of applause. They are also wonderful. Now these piggies are 8.5, almost 9 weeks old. Not easy to manage piggies that are babies like that. Well, these guys are experts at their young age. Juan, raise your hand. Let's hear it for Juan and Oscar over there. Let's hear it for the pig handlers. They do such a good job. Now, folks, we're going to recap. Section 1, you are looking for 18 Royal Blue Captain Sparrow with Maddie. All right, 18 Royal Blue. Section 2, you are looking for number 1 Light Blue Elsa with Allison. And Section 3, good attitude. That's good. And Section 3, you are looking for the Black Pearl wearing number 8 Black with Daniel. Is everyone clear now? Yeah, Section 3. Good support. All
We
right.
have 3 winners are voted and ready for the
Woo!
championship race.
Here it is, folks, the championship. This determines the final winner. All right, then sound the trumpet. I don't have to ask the pigs to start their engines. They're trying to break out as we speak. Jesse and Jessica have both done such a beautiful job. Let's give them a major round of applause. Stay after the show. We have something for each of you. Don't leave, all right? All right, friends, families, and guests of Deloso Family Farms. Let's count down, and then we'll say, ready, set, go for the championship. Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Ready,
set, go! Let it go, friends, let it go! Oh, it's a Black Pearl. Oh my goodness. All right, Jessica, officially, who is the grand champion? The Black Pearl! The Black Pearl. That means, Daniel, Section 3, you have just won a free ice skating pass to come back to the Loso Family Farms in December. So wait, everyone, stay where you are, because coming around the track right now is actress Kathy Garber, so generously walking around the track. She's bringing them all something, a light bracelet, all of them receive that, but she's also coming around to the winner because she is about to present Daniel, our winner, with something very special. Listen to this.
A blue necklace, and this is a special candy bar, and it's from Family Affair. It's a sea salt caramel and macadamia nut crunch. Oh boy! And I'm going to autograph it to you. You tell me how to spell your name.
Daniel.
B-A-N-I-E-L. Is that right? Get it right?
Yeah.
That's right. Let's hear it for Daniel. Thank you, Kathy Garber.
She's only here till 4 o'clock, so make sure you stop by and see her right over there. Ask her questions about her amazing career. Folks, she would love to meet you. Thank you, Kathy Garber.
She's got autographs.
Yes, she does. She's got books and autographs and everything. So don't be shy. Stop by and say hi to her. Thank you, everybody. The next pirate show you don't want to miss is at 2:30. And folks, you can't miss that. You don't
Oh, it's so
understand.
fun.
Yeah.
And what's our next racing big show?
Big show next is 3:30.
Thank you, Captain Share.
Thank you, Captain Mulligan. All right, don't forget.
Don't forget, I'm glad
Thank
they
you for
said,
waiting.
no, let me do it. Let me do it. I'm gonna get it for him. You hang on. They were so spectacular.
They were.
And we're going to
Jesse and Jessica, free skating passes to come back to the Deloso Family Farm in December. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful day at Deloso Family Farm.